cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you our advent calendars and things we do to count down for Christmas here at my house. We have some traditions that we do that I am so excited to share with you guys. I have some advent calendars that you can purchase and kind of use one time, and then I have some advent calendars that you can reuse every year. Just gonna share with you guys our traditions and what we will be doing this year. So I'm super excited to share with you guys. Let's get into it. So the first thing here I wanted to share is a really easy craft you can do with your toddler, and he actually got this from school and I thought this was super cute, so I wanted to share. I made it with him, but they kind of gave us all the supplies. But this is just a countdown snowman. You can also do like a Santa Claus or Christmas tree, what have you, but basically it is a cardboard that they put one of those little spinner things in there, and then you can make a little carrot nose. Then you have all of the number stickers, or you can write it on yourselves to count down from 24 or 25 all the way to 1. Make a little construction paper black hat for the snowman, a little sticker guy. Super easy and a fun craft to do with your toddler. Jackson loved it. But again, this is something that came home from preschool. We made this together, and I just wanted to share with you guys if you wanted to come up with a cute little craft. Another thing that I will put up on the screen for you, and you can screenshot it, but this is a calendar, Acts of Kindness calendar we got from our church. Has a whole bunch of different things that you can do each day, 25 different things you can do. Give someone in your family a hug, pick up litter outside, take carts back to the grocery store parking lot, pray for someone who's sick, give someone a homemade tree ornament, different things like that. The next thing, before we get into the legit advent calendars, is a tradition I do with my son. Now, I saw this a long time ago. I used to follow a girl named Christina Brawley here on YouTube. I have since unsubscribed her for some different reasons, but I loved this idea when she was doing Christmas and Vlogmas, things like that. So these are little lint bears, and I got 25 of them. So each day starting December 1st, I start hiding one of these bears in different locations on our main floor. So I've been doing this now for the past 2 years with Jackson, since he was about 1.5 years old. He's 3.5 now. Something that he really enjoyed doing every day, looking for the chocolate bear. Not necessarily would he eat the chocolate bear every day, but it was just a fun experience to go find it. He would get his little flashlight and look around the house. Super fun. If you have multiple kids, you can hide multiple bears, or you switch off days. Now that I have Madeline, she is only 2 months, so she will not really participate in this advent calendar this year, or really any this year, but this is something that they can switch off each day. The next person kind of find the chocolate bear kind of thing. So I thought this was a really cute idea. We've been doing it now, like I said, for the past 2 years, and I'm going to continue the tradition this year. Another tradition that we use every year is this Melissa and Doug advent calendar. They have one that has an angel design on it, and one that has, I think, a Santa design. Basically what that means are they're just kind of different ornaments. So it comes with all these magnetic ornaments, and you can count up all the way to Christmas, and then there is an additional little star they can put at the top. So they can play and count up to Christmas, or my son likes to just play with it as a toy. It's up to you and what your little one wants to do, but they can make this into advent calendar and count up to Christmas or down to Christmas, or they could just play with it. But something we have brought out the past 2 years as well. He has really enjoyed it, so I wanted to mention that here. Okay, let's get into the advent calendars you can purchase on Amazon. So today is the last day of November. You should be able, with Amazon Prime, to get this either tomorrow, December 1st, or you can get it December 2nd, 2-day shipping. I've noticed Amazon's doing 1-day shipping a lot, so that's why I said that. But I have talked about this previously on my channel. This is the 24 Arts and Crafts Season Creation Advent Calendar. And why I like this is my son loves to do arts and crafts. This just makes it super easy. Now it does say for ages 6 to 99. I'm just going to be doing the arts and crafts with him, so I think it will be fine for a 3.5-year-old to do. So in this box you get all of the different little boxes of different crafts that you can do each day. So it counts down, or you can count up. I think we'll just start with day 1 and then go all the way that way, just to make it easy. And inside the box are everything you need for that craft. So, for example, day 1 is a melted beaded ornament, so it gives you instructions and things that you need. It says materials in the box are pony beads, star cookie cutter, and fish string, and extra stuff that you may need are toothpick, tinfoil, small baking pan, and an oven. So basically, they give you all the extra little materials, and then as long as you have like basic materials, you can do all these crafts, and they show you step by step how to make the crafts, which are super fun. I know my little one is going to love this, so I will link this and any other ones you can purchase down below. But this one is so fun. I'm excited to have an arts and crafts project to do with my little one this year. The next thing here is the Disney Advent Calendar Storybook collection. Now, this year they have a different version out, but it's the same concept. This is what it looks like for this year. This was a previous year. It was either last year or 2 years ago, and we just keep reusing it. So it is ginormous, as you can see, like huge, and it is so nice. So what comes in this, it has the different books and the countdown to Christmas. When you first get this, they all are kind of individually wrapped. We have reused these, so what I like to do is just kind of keep the books in here and then turn them face back so we don't know what books. But this way you read a different book counting down to Christmas, and they're all Disney books. On the back it shows all the classic Disney books that are in there. And like I said, there is a new version now of this that they are selling. I believe you can't get this certain one. I'm not sure. I will link them down below if I can find them. But really like these for you Disney lovers out there. Another one I have here is a new one I got yesterday. One of my friends is an Usborne sales consultant, and I kind of did like some giveaway or won some kind of lottery. I don't know how I won this, but I won the new Advent Calendar book collection. This came out this year from Usborne. Contains 24 books, similar to the Disney one. The only thing about this one, which is different, it's like the Advent style pop-up where you have to peel back and open up the windows and stuff for it, so you can't really reuse them. I think maybe you might be able to. I'll let you guys know. Be sure to subscribe. I plan on doing some vlogs here on my channel and talking more about these and showing you guys what we do. But this is really pretty. I love how colorful and the illustrations and stuff on here. Looks like a little house. So I know Jackson's gonna love it and have another new little book to read. And inside it is 24 books, but they're not all Christmas books. They're just a little kind of books, like classic books right there. So this is another fun one that you can do. Another thing I've done here on my channel is just find 24 Christmas books or winter books that you have, or you can purchase them and wrap those up that you have in your house. So if you have a whole bunch of Christmas books like I do, I will link my video up above sharing with you all of my favorite Christmas books. But you could just wrap 24 or 25 of those up and then open one of those every night as well. So you don't have to purchase an actual little Advent book calendar. You can make your own book Advent calendar with the books you have at home. A couple other ones I wanted to mention that I have my eye on for potential future Christmases. I think we're good for this year, but there is a Lent Advent calendar with Lent candy. Thought this was really neat. It's just kind of a different take on the bears. You just have that traditional Advent calendar with getting a chocolate each time. Then I saw this Play-Doh Advent calendar, and I know my son would love it, but right now we have the crafts one. If I didn't have the crafts one, this Play-Doh one would probably be up my alley this year. And then I saw this 24 cups of cheer Advent calendar for the grown-ups out there with different coffees and hot chocolates, things like that. So definitely something I have my eye on. I just bought a K-Cup Keurig this year, so I don't need to experiment too much. Let's just stick with what I got, but wanted to bring that up for any grown-ups out there. But that is how we are going to count down to Christmas in our Advent calendars this year. Let me know what you do with your family and loved ones down in the comments below. Do you have any cool Advent traditions or Advent calendars that you are using this year? Let us know, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our friends.